Beer Champ barbecuers, it is 3 a.m. What does that mean? Oh, we're cooking up a pork butt. Yes. Pulled pork sandwiches tomorrow? Yeah, that's for sure. So we have to get everything set up. It is hot and humid. Holy hell, it's still like 90 degrees here in upstate New York. And speaking of upstate New York, what we are doing with our pulled pork, a staple here. 20 minutes away, the founding barbecue joint, Dinosaur BBQ. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Dinosaur BBQ pulled pork sandwiches today. Yeah, later on, it's 3 a.m. Those guys, the home location is 20 minutes from here. Oh, Dinosaur BBQ has some great grub for sure. It's a biker barbecue joint, and I've never really cared for the barbecue sauce. I don't know. It was a long time ago. I haven't had it in so long, and I do know I love their baked beans. Awesome. And I don't like baked beans anywhere. Back in the day, though, I used to sell cars at this dealership down the road. I used to go there and get food at least once a week in the early 2000s. Oh yeah, we're talking a little while ago. So anyway, we are going to do a pork butt on the Weber kettle with a slow and sear. We're going to fill the trough with hot water right now and get some charcoal rolling. Yeah, fill that up to the max. Rock and roll. Get rid of that guy. So we're gonna put down some chunks of hickory in the basket. And then we're gonna fill it up with Kingsford, light one side, get the temp up to 225. We're gonna rub down this pork butt that I got with some Pit Boss Sweet Heat. I'm not going to use a binder. Sometimes I do like to use that yellow mustard. We're not going to do that today. Just going to use that, put that on. We're going to let it go until I wake up in like 6 hours. I'm going to set an alarm, come out, check it out. I'm going to put a meat probe inside there. We'll probably be like at 160 degrees after 6 hours. So we may wrap it, we might not. Let's see where the night goes and the cook goes. God dang, 3 a.m. All right, let's get rolling. Okay, the pork butt is all seasoned up with some sweet heat from Pit Boss, and there's no binder at all. We're gonna cook this fat cap up on the Weber kettle with the slow and sear. We're getting that up to temp right now. We just want 225. So we got some hickory chunks and Kingsford basic charcoal briquettes. We lit a couple of them with the torch, and we're letting this sweat a little bit before we put it on. We got an 8-pound pork butt, bone in. Gonna be phenomenal. Always, always. All right, we're gonna get this on in just a few. Get the pork butt on, fat cap up, put your meat probe in. We're cooking this for quite a while. Now, if you get to about 155, 160 degrees and it's just hanging, you can wrap it in foil. Wrap it in foil, put it back in. It'll push past that stall. Unless you got a lot of time, let it keep going. I think we're gonna let it keep going today because it's early AM. I'm gonna go to sleep, and half the cook, I'm gonna be asleep. So 6 hours. I'll come back out. I got the ink bird in it with a meat probe in and a meat probe on the grill grates, so I can monitor this, you know, in between waking up. Wake up every couple hours anyway, so I can come out, check this, and yeah. So we just got to get this grill balanced out to about 225 right now. So that's what I'm doing right now, and then I'm heading my ass off to bed. Anyway, delicious pulled pork sandwiches tomorrow. What else are we gonna do? Could be some crazy stuff, but I'm thinking I'm gonna bake up some cornbread out here on one of these grills, because tomorrow's supposed to be over 100 degrees and we're in the northeast. Humidity is disgusting. You could probably see it on film. It's gross. Okay guys, we're totally in the stall. I'm gonna add some wood lump charcoal to this. The basket's still almost half full and that slow and sear, so I just kicked it around. Let's check it out. A little spritz. Warm one today, folks. All right, guys, we are in the stall. I don't have time to let it ride out. I pumped up the temp 340 right now, and we're still, it is what it is. Every pork butt's a little different. So I got this out about 3:30 a.m. It is now almost 1 o'clock the next day, and we're still floating in the stall. Although I did lose a lot of temps early morning. I was down to 200 degrees, a little less than. So anyway, it is what it is. We're gonna wrap this sucker, put it back on. We're gonna get this thing up to 198 degrees, and then we're gonna let it rest in the coolers for about an hour. Dinosaur BBQ, pulled pork, cornbread. Oh. Dynamite. Check that out. That bark stayed crunchy, even in the foil, for 6 hours. Hell yeah, that's awesome. With the cornbread, it's so hot out. I'm pouring sweat. It's kind of raining. Finished that cook just in time. We all got to eat and have the barbecue party, birthday party. At least it's cooling down. It was so damn hot. Decent in here. Guys, pulled pork, do it right. Low and slow, the best way to go. Guess I'm checking up out of here, but I got some new ideas for cornbread. Look out for that.